Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is Tuesday. It's August the 28th, 2012. We've been looking at one major U.S. market here today, and this is about the only one that I see like this. I could look at the Hong Kong Hang Seng Index as well, but I'll probably just update the chart and post it on the website at PerfectStockAlert.com. It'll be there for you guys to check out later when I get the updated chart. But right now I want to be looking at the Russell 2000. There's an opportunity setting up here we haven't seen in a while. The Russell 2000 has been lagging a lot. They've had some major resistance and been bouncing off of that at this basic key levels that we've talked about before. So we haven't really been trading it to the long side here. A little trade here and there, but we also were taking short opportunities. But right now I'm interested in this because it's something set up here. You've got this nice move here to the resistance, then you get this actually elongated pullback here, forming a little cup scenario. Bump up to that resistance level again, and then a little weak pullback here, shallow pullback, forming a little handle, the cup and handle scenario. And now we're starting to move back in the other direction. Remember, we told you this isn't going to be a really big move to the downside. Look for this to just consolidate, move sideways. However, in this particular scenario, there's going to be a lot of people going to be buying this, and I would understand that. But wait for the buy opportunity until you get a close above resistance. Look at this high close here and this high close here. Draw yourself a trend line across that point. When you close above that, about the 821 area, when you actually have a close above that, then you could buy that, keep a stop off your low, and continue to watch your move higher. I could understand that. What we're seeing right here, when you look at these sell signals, they're typically a sell signal here. Sometimes you can get fake ones. Basically, they go up there to a level that's been hit before many times, and then you get automatic selling at that level. And then when you see the pullback, if that pullback is shallow, it tells you a couple things. Number one, the sell pressure is very weak. And number two, the buy pressure is still stronger than sell pressure, which would tell you that there's not actually major resistance there. That buy pressure can easily overcome that sell pressure. Therefore, this is a scenario where you want to be looking for a breakout as a buy. And that's how I would mark this chart. If we were to actually get a breakout, close above that 820 line there, I would actually mark it as being a buy with a tight stop and look for the move to go higher. Also, on this particular chart pattern, you can take the middle of the resistance level there and down to the lowest point, 765. Do the math on that, and this is the distance that you expect once you break out, how high you can go. So you can see there's still upside potential here, especially if you get the breakout. So I would be a buyer on that breakout. Okay. If you've not been to our free website at PerfectStockAlert.com, it's right there. It's 100% free, and all we ask in return, please refer a friend. The easiest way to do that, share our videos online. We appreciate you guys' support, and we'll keep working our tail off for you. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.